Right, so this is an M240i. Is it stage 2?
Yeah.
Stage 2 tune. So what we're going to do, we're going to start the car up so you can hear what it sounds like against that one. So we're going to do this one. So if you want to give it a little fire up. And is that with the valves closed?
Yeah.
Valves closed, yeah. And that sounds really, really good. Right, do you want to give it a rev with the valves closed?
Valves closed.
Yeah. And then valves open. Okay. Yeah, she sounds really good. That's all we need to do, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Alright. This is an M2 competition, stage 1 plus, with a active equal length exhaust system. So I'm going to start it up on valves closed. It's pretty cool how you can go really quiet and really loud.
Yeah.
So you've got like best of both worlds. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I like that.